All right, we're gonna do a lesson on secure the car. Welcome CMSC Auto School. Sometimes the examiner will say, secure the car as if you were going uphill. So I'm gonna set it until you hear about over 10 clicks. And the reason why I steered the wheel all the way to the right, car will careen off the road because of the way I turned the steering wheel. It won't careen into the road, which would cause an accident or hurt a pedestrian or a child. Now it's completely secure. If everything fails, car will go off the road safely. There's no strong curb here. If there was a strong curb here, steer the other direction, put my 10 clicks on with the emergency parking brake. And this way, if the gear and the brake fail, the car will careen until the wheels that are turned this way will hit the hard curb and it will hold it there, and that'll be safe. But in this town, there's no hard curbs, at least in this neighborhood, so we turn it the other way. And that's usually when the examiner shakes my hand and says, congratulations, you've passed the road test. You now have a license at 5 p.m. Thank you very much.